When we started Custom Source Woodworking, we knew we needed a system that we could track everything and have all of our data available online and accessible by all the employees. It was essential for the way we do business and the size of our shop. When the whole COVID business started and there was a lot of concerns about health, we decided to make all the employees that could work remotely be able to do so, and we were able to do that pretty flawlessly with Crow's Nest. We all had access to all the information we needed, and so far it's been 6 months about that we've been working from home. I work from home. I'm the CEO. Our COO works from home. Estimators, engineers, purchasing agent. A lot of people work from home. Our project managers work from home as well as go to the job sites. And Crow's Nest allows us to do that with all the access to all the information we need to be able to run the company successfully. Crow's Nest allows us to do that with live inventory. We always know exactly what inventory we have on hand, and we're able to maintain those inventories to meet our production needs. And being able to track all that inventory, where it's at, and how we're utilizing it, and being able to use overstock and items left over from other jobs just adds to our cash flow. We are also able to reduce our inventory on certain things for stocking items, which allowed us to, again, put more cash in our company and lessen inventories. Shipping, being able to scan items through Crow's Nest and being able to track where they're located through GPS has been really crucial for us. It saved us a lot of remakes because installers were able to tell them we scanned it on site, it shows that it's there, and it's really saved about 80% of the remakes. We use the scan function throughout our shop, so we can also tell where the item's located. We scan the item that it's ready to ship, we scan it that it's on the truck, and then we scan it when it's off the truck on the job site. And that's really helped us through any kind of shipping issues. And it seriously has saved us 80% of the remakes that weren't necessary. Crow's Nest is super flexible, so it's easy to implement, generates tasks for various departments and employees, and you can set it up to where it triggers other tasks after one's completed, and it can really generate a lot of movement and keep people from dropping the ball during critical stages of the project. Our PMs really appreciate the mobile access that Crow's Nest gives them. While on a job site, they can look up any job, any document, and get into the details and answer questions while on the job site and get through their issues. That's been extremely helpful and a really powerful tool that Crow's Nest offers. Estimating Crow's Nest and found this powerful tool that can eliminate a lot of data transfer and knowledge that we've gained through the estimating in various different departments, and allows all that information to transfer throughout the project. So it makes it really easy to track all the labor hours and all the material budgets, all that stuff, and it's really easy to move that around and schedule values and create releases or cut lists.